University of Cape Town. It's an institution that attracts some of the brightest minds, many of whom are drawn by its long history of excellence in the field of research. Some former students have also gone on to become famous for the groundbreaking work they've done in their respective fields.
There have been people who have won Nobel Prizes that have come through UCT. Of course, other institutions also claim them because they spent part of the time there. So there's Alan Cormack, the CT scan, and of course Sir Aaron Clark, who received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the 80s.
One of the most famous students to have received an education here was Chris Barnard, the South African surgeon who performed the world's first heart transplant. His achievement in the field of medicine even inspired some of today's top medical professionals to pursue their careers in health.
I went to UCT and started medicine in 1969 when Professor Barnard was the most famous doctor in the whole world. And you can imagine what impact that has on you as a youngster, realizing that it is possible to do something of value to the nation and to your country and to your people.
This year's semester has seen no shortage of new students, many of whom have come to lay the foundations for their careers. With a little hard work and ambition, they too could join the list of famous alumni. The University of Cape Town has a long tradition of producing some of the most influential people this country has ever produced. The future now lies with a new generation of students receiving an education here, and only time will tell which of them might become a future leader. Travers, CCTV, Cape Town.